Welcome. Today, we will learn about Azipos medicine. Azipos, azithromycin, capsule is a nitrogen-containing macrolide, azalide. It is generally used for the treatment of a variety of infections. Its antimicrobial activity azithromycin has been shown to be active against most isolates of the following microorganisms: gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, and other bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Package contains: Azipos contains 10 capsules of 250 mg. It is also available in 500 mg capsules. Composition: each capsule contains azithromycin as dihydrate, USP 250 mg. Product specifications, USP specs. Dosage and administration. To be sold on the prescription of a registered medical practitioner only. For details, see the enclosed leaflet. The dosage of Azipos, azithromycin, in acute bacterial exacerbations of chronic bronchitis, 500 mg. Once daily for 3 days, or 500 mg as a single dose on day 1, followed by 250 mg once daily on days 2 through 5. In otitis media, 500 mg once daily for 3 days. Alternatively, initially 500 mg once daily for 1 day, then 250 mg once daily for 4 days. In uncomplicated skin and skin structure infections, 500 mg as a single dose on day 1, followed by 250 mg once daily on days 2 through 5. In mild to moderate typhoid due to multiple antibacterial resistant organisms, adult dose 500 mg once daily for 7 days. Child 6 months and over, 10 mg per kilogram, to a maximum of 500 mg, once daily, for 7 days. In community-acquired pneumonia, low to moderate severity, 500 mg once daily for 3 days. Alternatively, initially 500 mg once daily for 1 day, then 250 mg once daily for 4 days. In community-acquired pneumonia, high severity, initially 500 mg once daily intravenously for at least 2 days, then 500 mg once daily for a total duration of 7 to 10 days. In antibacterial prophylaxis for insertion of intrauterine device, 1 single 1000 mg dose. In prevention of secondary case of invasive group A streptococcal infection in patients who are allergic to penicillin. Child 6 months to 11 years. 12 mg per kilogram once daily. Maximum per dose 500 mg, for 5 days. Child 12 to 17 years and adult. 500 mg once daily for 5 days. In uncomplicated gonorrhea, 1 single 1000 mg dose. In urethritis and cervicitis, 1 single 1000 mg dose. In genital ulcer disease in men, chancroid, 1 single 1000 mg dose. The capsule formulation should be given at least 1 hour before and 2 hours after a meal. Indications and usage. Uses of Azipos. Medicine for adult patients. Acute bacterial exacerbations of chronic bronchitis, otitis media, pharyngitis and tonsillitis. Uncomplicated skin and skin structure infections. Mild to moderate typhoid due to multiple antibacterial resistant organisms. Community-acquired pneumonia, low to moderate severity. Community-acquired pneumonia, high severity. Antibacterial prophylaxis for insertion of intrauterine device. Prevention of secondary cases of invasive group A streptococcal infection in patients who are allergic to penicillin. Uncomplicated gonorrhea. urethritis and cervicitis due to chlamydia, trachomatis or Neisseria gonorrhea, genital ulcer disease in men due to Haemophilus ducreyi, chancroid. Contraindications. It is contraindicated in patients with known hypersensitivity to azithromycin, erythromycin, any macrolide or ketolide drug, in patients with a history of cholestatic jaundice, hepatic dysfunction associated with prior use of azithromycin. Adverse reactions. The reported adverse events of azithromycin are angioedema, cholestatic jaundice, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, or abdominal pain, palpitations, chest pain, dyspepsia, flatulence, melena, oral moniliasis, vaginitis, nephritis, dizziness, headache, vertigo, somnolence, fatigue, rash, pruritus, photosensitivity, angioedema, acute otitis media, headache, constipation, anorexia, enteritis, gastritis, anemia, leukopenia, hyperkinesia, agitation, nervousness, insomnia, face edema, fungal infection, malaise, pain, allergic reaction, cough, pharyngitis, pleural effusion, rhinitis, eczema, fungal dermatitis, sweating, urticaria, vesiculobullous rash and conjunctivitis. The additional reported adverse events of azithromycin are arthralgia, edema, arrhythmias including ventricular tachycardia and hypertension, QT prolongation, and torsades de pointes, pseudomembranous colitis, pancreatitis, oral candidiasis, pyloric stenosis, tongue discoloration, asthenia, paresthesia, anaphylaxis, interstitial nephritis, acute renal failure, vaginitis, thrombocytopenia, abnormal liver function, hepatic necrosis, hepatic failure, convulsions, vertigo, syncope, aggressive reaction, anxiety, serious skin reactions, etc. Pregnancy and lactation. Available data from published observational studies, case series, and case reports over several decades do not suggest an increased risk for major birth defects, miscarriage, or adverse maternal or fetal outcomes with azithromycin use in pregnant women. Azithromycin is present in human milk. There are no available data on the effects of azithromycin on milk production. The developmental and health benefits of breastfeeding should be considered along with the mother's clinical need for azithromycin and any potential adverse effects on the breastfed infant from azithromycin or from the underlying maternal condition. Instructions. Keep out of the reach of children. Store below 30 degrees Celsius in a dry place. Protect from sunlight. Detailed prescribing information is available at the manufacturer's website. Manufacturer and buy online. Azipos is manufactured by Titlis Pharma Private Limited. It is marketed by High Noon Laboratories Limited. It is available online, or you can purchase it from any nearby pharmacy. It is available at the retail price of around 360 rupees. Thanks for watching. Take your medicine as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes it.